students, today we will be starting exercise 12C. See the first question, it says a car travels 20 km north and then it turns and travels 7 km east. Now look at number 1. Maybe this A is a starting point. It goes 24 km north. So north means it is moving right. Again it moves and goes 7 km. From B it moves and reaches to C, which is 7 km towards east. Now they have asked how far is the car from the starting point. Now we have to join this AC to get the distance travelled by the car. So when we turn, we make north to east, so we make a turn of 90 degree. So we write here, let the car starts from point A moves 24 km towards north and turns towards east at B, and again covers 7 km and reaches to point C. Is it? Started from A, moved 24 km, turns at B, moves 7 km towards east and reaches at point C. So to find distance between AC. How to find it? We have learned the Pythagoras theorem that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or you have learned hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Pythagoras theorem you have learned. So what is AC? AC is a hypotenuse here, AB is a base and BC is a perpendicular. So we can write now AC's value under root AB square plus BC square. Now AB's value is 24 centimeter whole square plus 7 centimeter whole square, or AC is equal to 24 square is 576 centimeter square plus 49 centimeter square, or AC is equal to under root 625 centimeter square, or AC is equal to 25 centimeters. So he is 25 centimeters away from the starting point. So this exercise is based on Pythagoras theorem only. If you have confusion, you cannot finish it. So dear, last day also I have told, kindly learn the formula. Write number 1, then I will be telling you question number 2. Now question number 2, it says a ladder is 13 meter long and placed to reach a window at a height of 12 meter above the ground. Now first of all, question number 2, there is a window, clear? Okay, this is the window. A window which is 12 meter high from the ground. Okay. Now a ladder which is 13 meter long placed against to reach the window. This is 13 meter. This is window, height of a window, and this is ladder. Now you have to find how far it is placed against the wall. Is it? Now I am writing A, B, C. Let AB be the height of window is equal to 12 meter, and BC CB be the ladder of length 13 meter. Is it? From here to this, B is a window, this is the height, and B is a window, so ladder has to reach the window. So ladder's height is 13 meter and window's height is, ladder's length is 13 meter and window's height is 12 meter. Now walls are always straight, so this would be 90 degrees angle. So we have to find the length of, maybe here I am writing A, B, C, or maybe this is A, B, C, then it is okay. Again, otherwise you will confuse, is it? So AB be the height and CB is CA be the ladder. Does not matter, you can write BC also, doesn't matter. Now you have to find distance between the wall and ladder. Is it? What do we know? Base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Pythagoras theorem we know. Base we didn't have. So base is equal to under root hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse how much we have? 13 meter whole square minus 12 meter whole square. Or it gives you 169 meter square minus 144 meter square, or 25 meter square, or is equal to 5 meter. So the ladder is placed 5 meter far from the wall of, so the distance of between the foot, how far from the wall the foot of ladder is placed. So ladder is placed 5 meter far, so the ladder is placed 5 meter far. Now question number 3 is a homework. You have to do question number 3, and if there is a doubt you can ask me in live class. Okay, thank you dears for today.